Alright, so this has just arrived. It's here, so I'm going to open it. Alright, okay. So let's get this way, careful. So I believe I ordered the 2 versions of the album. Also, all the songs on that album slap. Can we just appreciate how much work the guys, the boys, the babies put into making that album? Right. Yes! Okay. We are unboxing. Alright. 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 You guys, I'm gonna put you here so you can see. Okay, which one do we open first? Okay. I'm gonna try to be very careful in opening these. I have never damaged any of the ones that I've had. Any of my albums. Okay, beautiful. I like how it looks. This is stunning. Okay. Ooh, ah! Wait. Okay. 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 Woo! Ah! Stop. Stop. Ah! So good. Oh, these were... Wait, how do they know? These were each my favorite pictures of each of them. They just know me. I am going to scream. These are the picture albums. Python. Oh, so... Wait. Young Jay. Young Jay. Jackson. Stop. Of course, I'm going to like look very carefully after this. So we are just like looking and going through them for a bit. Okay, but JB though, he really came this era to destroy me. Honestly, I can't handle it. Mark looks so good. All of that. Jingo. How can someone be that beautiful? Wow. Is this the poster? Oh, these are stickers. Fun. Fun. We love. It's the CD inside. Fabulous. Yeah, I believe that's it. Now the poster. I had GOT7 posters on, like, I had them. How? Goddamn. How do they expect me to not die if I'm gonna put this on my wall? It's going to be dangerous for me if I'm going to be seeing JB like that. I don't know if I can do that. I don't know if I can do that. Whoa. So, I did expect the poster to be for all of them, like the group poster, because usually on the albums they come on like the group poster. The last album, I don't remember, because I did buy all 7 albums, all 7 versions of the album, because I could just not choose which member I wanted. Like, what do you mean I have to choose one? No. So this one as well, I was like, no, I'm going to get both of them, even if I'm broke after it. But yeah, I'm very happy that I have JB. I'm not complaining at all. So let's see.
Talking to yourself?
I'm gonna call. Alright. Yes. They did a lot of the promotions with this looks. So this one, of course, looks completely different. Oh, and they have the names here, as if I didn't know. Like, excuse me. Oh, these pictures are fantastic. Wait, wait. Okay. The Beyonce. So was that? Youngjae was the Beyonce. GOT7. I was laughing. Yugyeom. Come on. Yugyeom look so good. I'm pretty sure JB and Jinyoung are my bias at this point, but it's just with GOT7, I just can't. Bam bam. The hair on this photo shoot was so good. Look. Baby. Look at him. He just looks so good. So good. Fantastic. Alright. Okay, I got JB and Mark. So cool. Okay, we've got the group picture. And we have these as well. Yep. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we have as well the stickers. Stickers. And Mark. Okay. Happiness. Overflow of happiness. Okay, slowly. I'm like. We are putting these in with. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to decorate using these yet. I might show you, but we'll see. So I'm very, very, very happy with these. I'm so happy with these. The album has been so good. I've been listening to the songs over and over and over again, and I'm very happy that I have the physical copies because I just love them. So, yeah. Thank you.